Let's start this Leetcode 3390 problem. Easy mark in our noob to pro series. It's asked in Salesforce and Airbnb as a telephonic round question. So this is the num given to us. We have to calculate how many such three length subarrays are possible where the first and third element of that subarray is equal to the second element divided by 2. And these are the constraints given to us. The length of the nums can never be less than 3 and greater than 100. So using these constraints, we find out that we don't have to handle the edge case of the nums array having elements less than 3. We would have returned something, something asking the interviewer if it was not the case. So this can also be an interview or question, like we can ask if it's possible for nums array to be of length less than 3 and handle the edge case accordingly using if statement. But that is for the interview. Here it's already given to us, and the nums value is in the range minus 100 to 100. So we would just brute force it, check the I value, I plus 3 value, and their sum 1 plus 1, which is not equal to 2 divided by 2. So we would do nothing. We will move our I ahead now up until n minus 3, because if our I goes at the n minus 2 position, which is 3, we would not be able to find the third element, which is I plus 2. So to prevent this from happening, we will only move up until n minus 3 index. So now we are at 2, which is the first index. Now 2 plus 4 is not equal to 1 divided by 2. So again we would move here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 divided by 2. So our count would increment by 1 and we would return this 1 as our loop has ended here. So this is the story. Iterating up until the third last index. Calculating the given condition. Using if, we would check this condition. If it's satisfied, we would increment our count by 1. And at last, after getting out of the for loop, we would just return the count till now. And instead of doing second divided by 2, we can transform this 2 to here, because usually in computer logic, multiplication is easier to do than division. So this would also increment our time complexity by a few seconds. So this was it for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.